Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this BYD key fob. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. I also have a very small screwdriver, but this is optional. It's definitely not mandatory. So what you want to do here is push right where this button is, push down here, and pull out your mechanical key. Now take this mechanical key, place it right here, and just pry the two halves apart. Once you have these two halves apart, you may be able to get your key in here, but I find it easier just to use a little screwdriver. I'm just going to go ahead and pop that board out. There's your battery. Push it out right here. Take your old battery out. The new one goes in positive side facing outward. And then this, I find it easiest to set it like that and push that in. Give this a very firm squeeze back together. You can test right here. Make sure you got your red light and put your key back in. Push that button down so you can get your key in. And you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.